means
That's a good
you,
thing.
you stay short.
When do I go long? Uh,
John Fraley, you do
You're
not.
not going long.
you're not going long.
It's a
Like
down.
I,
It's a down. It's a down. John's joking. I hope, right?
no, he's not.
Are you feeling? Are you being? What's the trend? All right. What's the trend, John? Trend up or down?
As far as I can tell,
Good
it's
job, Westy.
down.
Good job, Westy. Well, John, what's the trend? Up or down? What's the trend? Up or down, John? Okay. What's the momentum doing? Turning up or turning down? You don't know. You don't know what momentum's. You don't know what momentum is by our definition. Well, there's a video for it. You probably should watch that video on momentum before asking if you want to go long, considering that trend and momentum is turning down. Is that too harsh? Look, look. See how Boss is making money on the short side? Interesting. And you want
YM's
to go
doing
long.
the same thing.
Williams in his zone. ES is in his zone. Going into his zone.
Yes, sir.
So you can get a little support here. It's going to fake you out. If you want to take a long trade, you're going to get faked out. You might be able to get a target off, and then you short the next rally. Okay. So no point in if you. That's why we have rules, right? Kind of momentum rules.
Lulu, do you
Most of
have
the
a?
time,
Go ahead, sir.
most of the time, your odds are in your favor if you trade from, trade with trend and momentum. Right? Am I wrong?
That's exactly right.
No,
Lulu must have a
So
boom
why do we
line
have
instead of
people
a
wanting
Lulu.
to go long? If the trend and momentum are down. Stay short, like I said, people. Jeez, get them short, Scott. Get
Stay.
them short, everybody.
We
Jeez,
said short earlier.
do what I said to do. Get them short, everybody. Be short. Here, I'll even do it.
If you're already short, stops at 50, 80, even.
I'll do it with you.
Find yourself a nice little bear flag, jump in there and get yourself some money.
Lulu and her boom lines.
That's true.
It is
Put that
very
in you.
true. That is very
You
true.
got a point. Could have done that.
That's great. I think everybody should be short. Not forever, just for a short term. Nobody chasing either. I mean, don't chase in the zone. Let it break through the zone first. Treat that like a bear flag. Yeah, Gray got short when I said get short. Made himself a little bit of
I
money.
went short. I pushed the sell button when you said get short. I got my first target off.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what
I
I'm
was
talking
I
about or
was I
anything.
was probably chasing it, but I tend to listen to you when you say things.
I started to add when he said stay short, but I said, no.
I wasn't in it. I just literally hit the button.
I've
Come
only
on,
gotten two
baby.
targets off now,
Yeah,
so
I got both my targets off. I'm in a free trade now.
I don't know why anybody doesn't listen to me when I say to do that. Oh, well, next time. It's hard to do when it's the
I'm
first
not
trade
giving
call
them
of
a
the day,
hard
buddy.
time.
It's all right. It's all right, man. Yeah, let's
Yeah,
break through
and
that zone first.
it was kind of chasing a little bit. So, but I had some ticks to burn because I was green from the first few trades. Very green
Take
at
that
that.
$100.
Very green at that. Okay, now we can trade ourselves.
It's on two trading.
I don't know.
Yeah.
And I'm flat. I'm done for the day.
Be done for the day, boss.
I am done.
For real.
Oh, you can bet I am. Make sure everything, nothing
It's
else.
trailing too
loses again.
close.
Yeah, I didn't give it a lot of room because I got in really late. So I just took my 2 targets and that was it. Because I had to admit
Yeah.
I did chase that.
Yeah, I could have left it back there.
Hey,
50, 80.
it made you money, didn't it?
Yep. Maybe yeah.
Made you like $100.
And for the record, I did it because I was very green from the other trades. Now you might have a better pulls back and
Oh, but I would, but that's my 2 and done.
you're done. Switch to
done.
Sam.
Yeah, that's it.
You switching to Sim? Shit. Excuse me. Excuse my language.
You see, it's going to Sam. Both of them.
That's it for me. Fun.
Now you're getting your
There's another retrace. I wouldn't do it. I don't know if 9:43. You got plenty of time till the news.
oh, that's right.
I
We got
just-
news at now you got news at 10. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. And, so now, if you haven't done anything, you don't do anything till 10. Oh.
Extreme
Assuming you're a
high.
big green there, Lulu.
We should all be green. We got some good calls this morning.
Yeah. And
Exactly.
literally,
know.
when I say get short, you could have gotten short at what? 60, 78.
No, I got way
If
later
you-
than that.
But that's when I said to get short.
Oh no, 78. Yeah, that's when I got short. You're right. I thought you said
Like
68.
at least 78,
I already
right?
said.
You get 3 points out of that trade. You gonna be upset about that? I'm
That's
not.
about what I got.
That's what I got too. Like I said, I'll take the $100. Yes, right now, John.
Boss. Love it, man. Love it.
I'm done.
He was talking about ES, John.
There you go, Lulu.
You know, it's so funny, Lulu, because you have no idea when I hear him say that, I'm just instinctively pushing the button. I don't. I mean, I literally could be on a coaching call and I hear it in the background, and I don't even look. I'm not even looking at the market. I just hit the button because I know I may not get a huge runner, but I'll get those first 2 targets off at worst case scenario.
Almost
It's like-
guaranteed every time.
Yeah, that's
Go
become
long, stay
habit for
long.
me.
All right, fine. Pressing the button no matter what.
Again, I may not always get the runner, but I like this scenario. I got a couple of targets and then it came back and got me.
Hey, I'll take the $100.
No, I'm
Hey,
not complaining. No, I'm not complaining at all.
I'm not complaining about that.
Now we're just gonna wait till 10 o'clock.
Better set some trials in. Down to see you guys.
Yeah, we got a bunch of new people
Welcome,
in here.
Mr. Trial people, all you new people. I am Coach Ryan. I happen to be allowed to be on the mic from time to time. just time to time. Don't trade this chop, guys. It's gonna chop around to news.
Welcome, Greg.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Supreme Sorcerer is back.
I don't know if I ain't gonna say it.
So I go back to Supreme Sorcerer as my screen name in the main room. Oh, I gotta go back in a bit. If he gets a 50% retrace on this, that'd be a good long trade.
Maybe back to
I mean, a
actually
really good
back-
long trade.
That'll take it back to about 81.
It's gonna push. Probably push up a little bit, I think. Let's see what the YM's doing. YM's still wanting to chop.
Yeah.
Anybody want to trade with trend and momentum? That is a short signal
Yep. First touch.
coming up. Anybody trading with trend and momentum? That is a short signal. And
For trial people that don't know, the man knows what he's talking about.
what's that? What'd you say, Boss Hog?
I said, for the trial people that don't know you and hadn't heard you, when he said that, he knows what he's talking about. It is a short signal.
Yeah, I think I've done this once or twice. I think. I don't know. There's a couple people. There's a few people who don't know about me. The guy behind the curtain.
Yep.
I don't like we're sitting in this little support zone. I would literally call a short trade officially, but I just
Right
don't
now,
like this.
John,
Yeah.
it's chopped just like the rest of, just like ES. You don't want to get into
There's gonna be a
that.
chance like it, you
We'll
know,
find you
we
something,
do
John. Don't worry.
there's not John, look at the YM right now. You really want to trade that? Say no, please. Say no. I don't want to look at I'm looking at my tick chart on the YM saying no, but I don't want to trade this. Yeah.
Don't
So
forget
next
news at
swing,
10 too. News at 10.
news at 10, next swing, John, then you take a trade. Don't take a trade through the chop. When it swings out of it, you take the trade from that. Ideally, you'd like to see price to go to where? Write this down, John. This is ideally you'd like for 39.038 to be the area you want price to go to, 035 to 35. Let's see, 35 to about 45. You'd like to see price push up there to get a nice sell signal. Write that down. Then you know. And that gives you something to shoot for. If that doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. It's not a big deal. Why do I say 35 to 45? Somebody tell John why I say 35 to 45, except for a coach. I'm gonna log out and log back in as Supreme Sorcerer. I'm gonna change my name back. If that's what you guys really want, that's what you'll get. There you go, Kevin. Retracement to where though? Retracement to where before I change my name? I'll be right back. There it is. There it is. Here it is.
Yes.
I don't know what part of you are selling rallies. I can miss. Did anybody misunderstand that part? Sell rallies. Here, let's make this simple. Why don't we ever post alerts anymore? Sell rallies. Post alert. Sell this freaking rally. I almost posted that alert too. Dang it.
Coach Brian just said and handed you his trade to you. Did anybody take you short?
What do you call that short, guys? You should have targets off and rocking and rolling.
Does that not make sense? Man, too much going on here.
What's going on?
Had too much going on here.
Too much going on. I just can't handle it all. News in 8. Now, John Fraley, if you see it pull back into that zone you see on my chart, and you get a hook,
Sitting here
see
talking mute
that-
on. So nice little counter trend long starting to rear its head, but I don't think I would touch it if you're not already big green for the day.
Consumer lack of confidence.
That's about the way it is, Bubba. J.
Consumer lack of confidence. What? Come on, our economy's great.
That's the reason my light bill jumped 4%. Going to jump another 4% in less than 30
Man.
days. I'm confident it's going to go up.
Ice cream sales, especially here in Florida. It's going to be a balmy 75 degrees here in a little bit.
Hey, we got 73 today. We're not too far behind you.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Holy crap. 77? Where you're at? Everybody's getting warm weather? Saturday, I looked it up. I looked up.
I don't even have a clue what it is here. It's going to rain.
46. There you go. That's more like what I'm talking about. Saturday there wasn't a place below the Mason Dixon that was over 40. From what I looked at. Crazy. 59 rain in Kentucky.
54 and rain in North Carolina.
Guys, we're just BSing because there's nothing to do right now.
No.
Really not much to do right now.
You're
So.
BSing. I'm fixing things.
What's that,
I'm
Paul?
working. I said, you're BSing. I'm working.
Isn't that what my job is?
That is your job, though. Yeah, you're true. You are working.
Hey, and
BSing.
he is good at it.
Yeah.
BS. I call BS on you, boss.
What we got? A few more minutes till the news comes out. Just sit on your hands, everybody. Nothing to
I think
nothing
so.
to
I
see
agree
here.
with boss on this. Go grab some coffee, chill out for a couple minutes.
Like cops tell you when there's a wreck, stand back, everybody. Nothing to see here. Get back. Even though it is a good counter trend long going on. How did I turn into Boss Hog? I don't know. I just picked that name out of the hat, John. Well, he acts about as bright as I do.
Nice little possible sell signal coming up here, guys. I don't like it as much as I did the other one off the 89 on the ES. I'm starting to make a little M here. A little close to the news, though. I probably would stay away from it.
That's true. Couple minutes to news. Let the news come.
Please keep trying to keep you straight. We're trying to keep you straight, John. You keep wanting to go long when everybody's going short. It's hard to do.
I think Wilbur just picked that on his own one day. Little Boss Hog thing. Got the Harley out today, Bubba. All right, love it. Right.
Hello, Graham. How are you, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
All right, here's your news.
Yeah.
And there
let's
she
watch
goes.
her- Watch her run up toward the pivot and then say, "Pow!" The bottom will drop out.
10 o'clock news up. Those are bigger accounts. You know how to trade it. Minneapolis 37 to say, oh, gross. Disgusting.
Warm in the land of 1,000 lakes, huh?
Those that know how to trade the news. I can barely hear you, Boss Hog.
Really?
Is it my mic alone? Yeah, I think it's.
You
is
might
it
need
me?
to turn yours up. I think. Can everybody hear me good?
We're going to find out. Something about where you had your head turned. I
Yeah,
think.
everybody can hear me good.
You're holding you're holding your tongue the wrong way. I think.
I think so.
I don't. All right. There comes a decent sell signal there. If you want to be at the 81.50 on the ES.
John, did you take that short when it went up to the blue zone that I had marked on my chart?
And you're getting a little W now, so sell signal at 81.50 would be not valid. But you could have it there. But the second what do we do? Second reaction after news, right? News is up. Didn't really push up too much, but a little bit of a mixed bag here, guys. I do think that this is sellable on the short side.
Yeah, about the ES.
But the S and YM. Just have your sell stop
You're not
in.
gonna take that.
Have your
news
sell
move?
stop. If you don't know where to put the sell stop, don't take this trade.
Right.
Right? So I'm not going to call a number for the sell stop. If you don't know how to do it, don't be in the trade. News pushed it up. Typically, there's a retracement. Typically, there's another push up after that. So
Yep.
even though momentum and trend are down, you're going to have probably a better chance to scalp a little bit to the upside. However, over the long term today,
We're down.
we're down. Trend is down, momentum's down. Every definition of trend you look at, lower highs, lower lows. What else do you want to look at, guys? Every definition you can look at in trend is down. And somebody's trying to take things long.
Okay, first target off.
Take your
Did
targets off on the
anybody-
short side.
That's it.
We'll do
Done
this
got
one more
one off.
time. Trend is down. Momentum is down. Why are we taking long trades, people?
John, you don't see that blue zone on my YM chart. Okay.
Let's see. Boss Hog YM chart.
Do you see it, Coach Brian?
Yes, I do. I see that you told John it went right to it to look for the short.
Exactly.
I can see it on your chart. Click on Boss Hog YM. You see the little charts at the top? That's why I'm short, but Paul. Everybody should be short right now with targets off. I don't know what you guys are doing, but if you're listening to me, you're short with targets off. You don't listen to me. I get off the mic. Then we try to get you short there, John. We really try to get you short. Try to get the other room short. Nobody wants to listen to what I'm saying. Stay short, freak. This is gonna piss me off.
There
I'm
you
gonna
go.
turn off my mic.
Okay, hey, get him wound up.
Oh, this is really gonna piss me off.
I love it. There's the old sorcerer back. I love it.
Why are they not short? Like, this is what's gonna irritate the shit out of me. I don't care who's listening. I said to get short. Everybody should be short, including the other room. Do what I say to do. No, I'm not gonna stop.
Okay. All right.
I'm not gonna stop. Tell him to do what I said to do.
Should have at least 2 targets off if you have 3 contracts.
Good job, John. Did you go short when I said say short? Did you do it, John?
John Fraley.
Well, if you went short when I said stay short, go short, you would have made money. Because I am up. Let's see here. Your stop on the ES is 79.25.
I had
Stop on the
70.
YM 980. 925 minimum stop on the ES. Flat now. You're flat on the YM. Waiting for the next short signal. There you go, people.
Short
That's only a
rally.
that's only a $300 trade. You're welcome for 3 contracts with 2 targets off, trailing 1. It's only a $300 trade.
Doesn't he make a good guesser, y'all? He's good. He's pretty good at Guessing what he does.
It's called rules. We have rules. There's an M. You follow them. That's all you have to do, guys. Trade from prior strings. Use the M's. Use the videos we give you to take these trades. It's not a complicated process. What did I tell you to do, John? As soon as it swings out, right? Didn't I say it, John? I said, well, as soon as it swings out, take the next short signal. Did I not tell you to do that? Yes or no? I did say to do that, right? Boss?
Yes, you did.
So those are my exact instructions. Guys, you got anybody else agree with me? Boss, you got it for a minute. I'm gonna grab some coffee.
All right, go right ahead. He said go short, and like I said, and I actually got it marked on my chart for you to go short. When it touched it to go short, John, you could have made back that $136 you lost yesterday and some. And now just wait for pullbacks or rallies to go up to go short again. That's what today is going to be. Wait for rallies to go short. I can get rid of this blue line now because it's not going to make it back to that. Not going to make it to that. Green jeans. Well, imagine that. You actually did it. Well, that's great. That is great, Scott. That's good to hear. That's good news, buddy. Good news. Kind of lets you know we almost know what we're talking about, doesn't it? Yeah, you can still be short in YM. I would. I'd have my stop probably sitting around 985 right now, just at the top of those candles. Well, excuse me, 980, 982. I'll make it 983. Yeah, 983. It's going down, everybody. It's going down. I mean, look, just buy, sell the pullbacks. If it goes back to the first touch rule and you get a hook, Prince 9-tick rule, go short. It's really that simple. It's basically that simple. Just like right now, over on the YM. Prince the next 16-tick rule outside that. Well, you should still be short though, from way up here. Right now, right now it's consolidating. Thank you, Lulu. You make this club fun too, Lulu. Well, it's true. You know it. We wouldn't be what we are without people like you. We really wouldn't. We appreciate every one of you. Well, neither can I. Hey, I owned a bar for 10 years, ran it for another 10. So I've been in the bar business for 20 years. So you know I'm full of jokes, not counting driving trucks. Yeah, been in construction. They're probably not a joke I hadn't heard. That's small. Just let this finish rolling over. Don't be in a big hurry. Let it roll over. I mean, I would have drawn a box right there to make for a breakout trade, but I took it on the M. I could have made right. Say right there. Doggone, that didn't work good. When it broke out of that. But I took it kind of early on the M, just taking a chance. I don't advise that right there because it's too consolidated because it can turn on you in a minute, just like that. That's the reason I'm closing. You'd want it to break outside of that box, outside of that range. You look at it over here on your range chart. It's doing the same thing as on the YM. It'll break down. Market's going to go down today. I hear you, Lulu. It broke out to the upside that time. Ah, I don't think it'll stay out too long. Probably it might go back to 82, maybe. I doubt it. It did. It went to 82. Now it's a better chance. Look for M. Yeah, that's what that was. Breakout. And for people that don't know what M is, then you go ahead and put the ones that do, you go ahead and put your sell stop in. Let's see what the next candle does. Oops.
Boss, you got off quiet here.
I'm talking. They're listening to me. Nope, I told them to.
I got a question here, ladies and gentlemen. Got a question. How many people heard me say put a sell stop at 81.25 after the news? Right around 10:01. How many people heard me? Come on, guys. How many people heard me? Seriously. Well more than half. Here, let's do it like this. Make everybody do it. Right. Who heard to put the sell stop in on the ES at 81.25? Question mark. Choice. Yes. Got a choice. No. No. Your choices. I'm not a professional at this and walk away from the markets during times when I could make money. Okay, there's your three choices. Yes, no, or I like to walk away from, I'm not a professional at this, and I walk away from the markets during times when I can make money. All right, there's your poll. Take it. Let's see what we get here. Oh, look at all these people that say yes, they heard it. Yes, John. That's okay, John. We're working on you, buddy. Yes, yes, yes. So yes is, look at this, guys. It's crazy. So all these people heard this. Some people didn't. That's okay. Past bad didn't hear it. That's all right. Okay, so the question is, why did 76%, 76% of people hear it, and so 76 and the rest didn't? I want to understand, like, what what happened for those of you who didn't hear it, because here, post results. There you go. 76% of people heard it. 78% of people heard it. So what happened?
Welcome to Liberty Trading Hub, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us for live trade calls in our trade room, Just visit libertytradingclub.com and start your 3-day trial with us. During your trial, you have access to training modules, indicators, the main trade room, live classes, lots of resources for you to take advantage of during your trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.